Okay, so welcome guys. Quarter two, we're going to start with just some rolling and activation. So if you've got a foam roller, grab your foam roller. Start with the quads first. So just top of the leg, just flicking across that tight squat. Start at the top of the knee first, right? Side to side. 20 to 30 seconds, then come down. Just the one leg, just turning on that side to side. Releasing that fascial tissue, right? If you feel any pressure in your back, you can just drop your stomach down and come off your arms. All right, but I want you flicking side to side. Okay, like that. Side to side, right? Side to side, not up and down, side to side. Just moving that roller up. Okay, feet, just like rolling out the quads. Just loosening up here. We won't spend too much time on the roller, we just go through the essentials. Change legs if you haven't already. It's on the quads. Side to side. Make sure you get right over there. Right over here. Make sure you come down, 20 to 30 seconds, and just moving that roller down. Okay, like that roller's probably a bit too big. That's a 6-inch back. 4-inch works so much better. Oh, sorry, other Beck. There's two Becks here tonight. There's like Becky and Beck. Not you, Becky, Beck. I know you got a 4-inch, don't worry. Okay, cool. Let's move on to the lats. So, I'll spin this way so you guys can see me better. The roller under your armpit, arm straight out, and again, we're flicking on the tight spot. Breathe deep. Yeah, so it should be just under the armpit. And you want to be moving. So we're flicking across that lat, flicking across that tight spot. Come on, Beck, I want to see you move. Yep. Drop that roller down a bit lower. If you've got a tighter spot at the back, hold it on there. I know I do. Okay, change sides. Hello, Lynn. Great to see you starting the class smiling. Side to side. Okay, last one on the roll here. Hands behind the neck. You want the roller at chest height, thoracic extension. And then just move your hips to the side, give a little pull there, and another side, and then just go back, thoracic extension. Hands can go straight out as well. And now just rock the lower lumbar. Pelvis side to side. Great for the lower back as well. Starting to loosen up. Okay, remember, the best way to get off the roll, turn to the side, push yourself up, don't ever try and crunch up. Okay, a little bit of activation stuff, we did this the other night, the 4-way foot stabilizer. Just from here, the spine long, the hands on the hips, and we're just going to tap. 1, 2, back, 3, and then curtsy bow. 4, 3 rounds, 3 more rounds of this. We'll do 4, 2, it just taps. Good. Feel this here. All the weight should be through this leg. Keep the belly button drawn in. Hands on the hips. You want to feel what your hips are doing. They should be nice and stable, right? 2 more. Here we go. 2, make sure this knee here, everything is nice and straight. You don't want it like buckling in. If it's like wobbling, you need to really engage this core more. How far can you go out before you lose that technique or that posture, right? That's the important question you need to ask yourself. Okay, give the legs a little shake if you need. Just change sides. Draw the belly button in. Spine long, chest up. 1, 2, 3, curtsy, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 more rounds. Nice and steady. 1. You don't have to rush this. Sometimes I get a little bit fast, get a little bit carried away. Take your time. 4. Good. Again, 1 more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. If you've got a band, what we're going to do tonight is just a stock standard external rotator cuff. Okay, like 1 set on each. So just tie it onto something, not like that. Just get it on something secure. And we're just going to externally rotate here. Breathe in. Squeeze the hand tight. Keep the elbow here on the body. If you can't, keep it close to the body. That's what you can do is the hand can come over. Yep. Breathe in. And exhale. 15 of these. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 2 more, 14, last one, 15. Great job, guys. Change. Core, spine up. Make sure this shoulder is back, retracted back, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, last one. There, okay, good job. Now, just come in, get your feet hip width apart. We're just going to step out for the lunge. Hip flexor stretch. Draw in, tuck under. Step back, we only hold for 5 seconds. Change, alternate. Draw in, tuck under. 4, 3, 2, 1. Step back, change. 4, 3, 2, 1. Change. Good. 3, 2, 1. Change. Good. 1 more on each. 3, 2, 1. Change. Last one. 2, 1, change. Good. Come on down in plank position on your mat. So it looks like this. Straighten the legs, draw the belly button in, squeeze the bum. A nice straight aligned posture. And we're just rotating up here. 1, 2, nice and slow. Don't rush this. Focus on the form. 4, 5. Keep the body still. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's okay, but 13, 14, 15, couple more. 16, 4 to go. 3, 2, 1 more. Right, good job. Well done. Alrighty. 2 minutes to 6. Just grab yourself a breather, grab yourself a drink. If you need to do something, you can. Otherwise, just while we're waiting, just go on some breathing squats. Yeah, Sue asked me, I'm wearing all red tonight. She said, you got to think about red. This is exactly what I want you to think about in this exercise, red. Cultivating some energy through the body, right? Breathe. Good energy. Start to feel it coming into your body. So the main set that we've got tonight, we've only got 10 to 12 reps. So I want you to use your heaviest weight that you've got possible. If you don't have any weights, it's okay. You can just follow along. But if you do have a big weight, get the biggest weight possible. So you will need a heavy dumbbell. You will need your football. You will also need your strap is going to be up high tonight. See my strap here? I'm using it up high for the high cable rows or the rows. The high cable rows for the rows, yes. So the high cable rows will look like that. Right, so if you've got your band, set your band up somewhere reasonably high. Okay, so the first exercise we're going to go through is the squats. So squats, then we're going to do the hip extensions on the hip ball tonight. So have your hip ball close as well. Then we're going to go into lunge. So grab a nice weight. Let's bring that up here. Set your feet up. Draw your belly button into the spine. And down we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 and 2 up. Slow down. Up a bit quicker. Use the glutes. 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep your core engaged. 9. Push your bum back so the knees are nice and square. 10, 11. 1 more. 12. Okay, haven't you got a weight, Becky? Okay, I know why. You don't need a weight. Hip extensions. Make sure the ball is flat against the door. If you don't have a fit ball or somewhere, you can just do a single leg hip extension. That's fine as well. You don't need the ball. But I'm just using the ball for a little bit of extra stability. Single leg hip extension, right? 10 to 12 of these. Are we ready? Let's go. 1. Slowly down. 2. Breathe in. 3. Make sure this glute is really working. 4. Push it up. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. One more. 12. Straight away, change sides. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12. Okay, good job, well done. Okay, push your ball out of the way. Next one we got is a lunge. 2 options for the lunge. You can hold it in the same position that you did with a squat, or you can have it down by the side. I'm going to go like this one. Set yourself up, lunge position. Here, you ready? Let's go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm only going to do 10. If you want to do 12, you can. 8, 2 more. 9, and 10. That's all I need tonight. Change legs. Ready? Let's go. 1. Bend that back knee as well. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Well done. Okay. From here now we go into the rows, so you will need your straps set up high. Make sure you've got a lot of tension on this. You might need to get your band or your strap really tight, right? From here, 2 options. You can just do a pull, or if you've been doing this for a while and you've got the technique right, we can load. 3. Yep, that's the one. Good. 7. Go 12. 8. 9. 10. 11. One more. 12. Good job. Other side. Thrown away. Half lunge. Go. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. And 12. Okay. So next we've got a Fitball dumbbell chest press. The other option could be, if you don't want to do this or you haven't got the right weights, you can just simply do a push-up, okay? So simple. 10 to 12 reps. Have you got 2 weights, Lynn? Have you got 2 of them dumbbells, Lynn? I recommend getting 2. Only problem is you've got that single, it's in so close you'll find your shoulders will start to roll in. Okay? You can just go down for the push-up, Lynn, that's fine. So some of you guys are going for the push-up option, that's fine. 10 reps at your own pace. On your knees is totally fine. Okay? Yep. Here we go. Good length. Here we go. 10 reps. 1. Breathe in. Exhale. 2. Slow. 3. 4. 5. 6. Slow down. 7. 8. Hips up. 9. One more. 10. Right. Well done. All right. So that's it for that main set. We only had 1 round. Okay, next we go into some core work. So let's start with, so this is core on level number 3. So this is the same as we did on Tuesday night, okay? So have your football. We start with the rollouts. Is everyone got a football? Have you got a football back? No? Okay. So the option was for Tuesday night, if you don't have a football, here, you just walk the hands out, right? Here is where the core is engaging. And we walk back to your own ability. If you feel it in your back, same on the ball, you're going too far. Okay, control this. Ready? Out we go. 1. Good. Pull the belly in. 2. Good. Okay, Becky, your ball needs to spin out a bit more. So we're starting here, right? Yeah, that's it. It's going to give you more onto leverage to get the core to work a little bit harder. That's it. Good one. Breathe in. Exhale. We do 15 reps of these. Ready? Out we go. Belly in. Core engages. Good work. 4 to go. Keep those arms straight back. 3. 2. Thanks for joining, Dylan. Hope you're well, mate. 1 more. 4. Okay, good job. Now, with you guys that have got the football, we're going to go on here for the side flexion. If you don't have the football, we've just got a cross crunch. Here, up and across. Here, squeezing. Okay, you do this for 15 reps each side, so go by my count. Everyone else has got the ball. Always lock the foot in here. Here. Same side back, same side, same side. Down we go. Up for 1. Slow. 2. Breathe in. 3. 4. Keep the belly in. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Straight body. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. One more. 15. Great work, guys. Well done. Other side for me. Now, if you're in Tuesday's class, remember on the flexion at the spine and none at the hip. Okay, chest up tall, start with coming all the way down and then flex at the spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 to go. Come on. 4, 3, 2 more. And last one. Well done. Okay, let's grab your dumbbell. Come on down on the mat. We've got the uppers and the lowers. If you don't have a dumbbell, it's okay, you don't need it. So push it out of the way. Bring your dumbbell nice and close to your mat. If you haven't got a weight, it doesn't matter. But if you have got a weight, so here, here, and here. It's the chest crunch up, pull in. 1, stretch out. 2, slow. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, let's go 20, 15 if you can, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, good job. Alright, great work guys. Now that's pretty close to 6:15, which means we've got another 15 minutes of just some restorations. Okay, so this is a bit of stretching, a bit of yoga flow. So you can remove your shoes. So I recommend taking the shoes off. And if you haven't got a nice sticky mat, you might need to take your socks off as well. I don't want you to slip. So we're going to flow through this pretty quick. So if you haven't done this like with me before, just go at your own pace, take it easy. It's not intense, but I will move through it pretty quickly tonight. Some of you guys have been doing a little bit of this, so you know where we're at. So let's start straight away, downward dog. All right, I just want you pushing your heels down and walk out those heels, right? Let's just stretch out, walking out. We'll do, say, 10 of these, just loosening up the calves, and then just go into a hold. Just get the hips up nice and high, open the hands out, push the palms into the ground, turn the elbows inwards, and feel that stretch through the upper thoracic, right? Top of your back. Just breathe into it now. Okay, well, with the left leg, actually I'll go the right leg, push that up, so single leg dog, hold that for 3 big breaths. And then we're going to bring that knee through. What we're going to do is come into a lunge position here. Crescent lunge with hands up. Right, and then we're just going to tip over. You can grab the elbow, sorry, like grab the opposite like wrist, and just hold that, and then just try and straighten the leg. Straighten the back leg, that is. So get that pelvis tucked under more. Okay, from here, I just want you guys to reach forward now. Straighten the back leg, reaching. Good, reaching. Lift those thumbs up, right? Now, what we're going to do here is we're just going to go into, you can try this, into a single leg, the hand straight up. All right. Now here, the left leg will just go down and we'll rotate up. The fingertip can touch the ground, other way in. That's it, rotate up. Hold that. Keep it strong, keep the belly in. Okay, let's pop that back leg back into a sun warrior position now. Bend the front knee, turn the knee out. Okay. Now we'll just straighten that front leg and then just go into a triangle. Keep that front leg nice and straight. Good. That back leg can still be turned in, it's okay. Then what we're going to do from here is hold it for another couple of breaths. We're just going to come back up to a reverse warrior now. Reach that hand up and reach back. Okay, good one. From here, windmill your hands down. Take that leg back, come into the Chaturanga, just extending through the back. Small one for you, Beck. Drop the shoulders down, keep the legs off the ground, and then just go back down with dog. Good work, guys. Breathe now. Very good job. Nice little flow there. Let's go again. Opposite leg now. Go into the left leg. We're going to hold this there for a few breaths. Elbows in, palms down. Breathe deep. Okay, bring that leg through. You guys should know what we're doing now. Crescent lunge, right? Legs up. Sorry, hands up. Get the legs up. Not going to go very high, are they? When we're standing on them. We should fall over. Reach those hands up. Grab the wrist and tip her over now. Keep that back leg. Just straighten that out the best you can. But I want you to hold that pelvis locked on. So that means your pelvis should not be tipping forward. Your glutes should be active. Spine should be dead straight. This alignment here. Tip forward? No. You want to tuck back? Yes. Okay, let's go back. Hands up. And then we reach forward. Straighten that back leg. Draw the belly button in. Keep everything in really good alignment, okay? Point those thumbs up. Great for the muscles in the back to be working. From here, if you can, let's go. Single leg. And then we're just going to reach down and rotate, right? Hold that position. Plant your foot. All the weight should be distributed from your big toe to your heel, right? Feel that weight evenly. Straighten that back leg out a little bit more. Okay, let's drop that back leg backwards. Go into the warrior position now. Your legs should be burning a bit, that's okay. Straighten that leg, that front leg. And we just tip now into that triangle. Should be feeling that through that front left hamstring. Breathe for me, guys. Come on. Big, deep breaths. It's going to help the release of that hamstring. One more breath. All right. Come back to the warrior, and then we reverse it. Over we go. Feel that stretch through that front body, right? You can either have a straight leg or a bent leg, it doesn't matter, just feel the stretch here. Okay, well, windmill the hands over, come on back down, we go into the Chaturanga. The legs do not touch the ground. Keep the belly drawn in. Feel that stretch through the front of the core, okay? Okay, good job. Just come on down on the stomach. Whew. Bring that hand out to 90 degrees. Okay, so I'm nice and square here, and then just roll over onto the chest stretch, open the hip up. Okay, look, we're going to go into some like deeper static stretching now. Really open that hip up for me. Feel it in the chest. Okay, let's come back to the other side. Feel it in the chest. Also, get this leg here. I'm very tight here, so I'm not a good example, but you really want to open up this leg here as high as you can go. Generally, if you're really tight in the adductors, like I am, you're not going to be able to get as much range of like motion there. But all you can do is your best, right? Okay, release that. Just sit back into a child's pose. Open up like the knees a bit. Just sit back into it. Drop the head down on the ground and just let your bum sink down onto your feet. You can feel that tightness in your lower back. Just breathe into that now. Feel it releasing, right? Sit back a little bit more. So good. Alrighty, cool. Just a quick one. Let's come on the back. We're going to do some like deeper hamstring stretching now. But we'll start off with just 20-second holds here. Keep your head down on the ground. You don't want to be straining your neck. Pull the toe down as well. Calf and hamstring. Okay, yeah, like release that. Change legs. We'll do 3 of these. So this is a little bit gentle. So calm before the storm, before we really start to hit them harder. Release that. Change. Release that. Just take note as well. The range of like motion that starts to improve and how far you can get your leg closer to you every time you do this. That's what you want. Okay, one more set on each. Keep your chin tucked under as well. So make sure you're holding a good neutral spine. Right? Sometimes when your chin is poking out, you start to contract and tighten the muscles through the back of the neck. And if you spend any time on a computer, or even if you spend a certain amount of time cycling on the bike, you will get tight through the back of the neck, which can start to lead to neck pain. So always think about change sides, keeping that chin tucked right under. Okay, 2 options from here. You can either go into a glute stretch like this, or you can go into the pretzel stretch if you've got glute flexibility. Up to you. 2 options there. Keep the head down on the ground. Breathe. We'll hold this for 20 seconds. Big, deep breaths for me. All right, just change sides. Work, guys, we're doing well. Almost done. Breathe. Okay. From here, just come around. Let's get the legs as wide as possible, right? You might want to just help them out a little bit. Chest up tall and just creep forward. Creeping, creeping. How can't even like get down at all. It's okay. All right, stay here. Don't force it. Breathe into it. Just let it go, right? It will let go. And if you're struggling, okay, like I'm not too bad. I've got a medium flexibility, okay, like here. So you can see I can get down a little bit. Some of you guys can't get down as much as me. Generally, it's because of the tightness in the hamstrings. All right? Breathe and let that go. Keep walking the fingertips out and the body will follow. Breathe. Walk the fingers out a little bit more. See how much further we're getting? It's starting to release, but it does take time. Breathe. Okay, one last time. Walk those fingertips out. Let's get into it deep. Come on, deep as you can. Okay, slowly walk your hands back. Good one. Just lengthen the spine here. Lift the spine up. Lift the chest up. Lift the head up. Now, with the elbow, just place it on the inside. Reach that hand up and over. Let's get a bit more of a side flexion stretch here. Turn the shoulder here backwards up to the root because you tend to rotate in. You want to open that up. Hold it. And release. Come back. Look up again. And then let's go to the other side. Keep the chest up nice and tall. And here we go. Other side now. Breathe. Feel that stretch through that side body. Hold it. Okay, release. Yes, that is beautiful. Okay, let's just kind of sit on the heels. We're just going to finish with a quick stretch through the front. These like muscles here get very tight. Okay, so pop your hand on your collarbone, just over your trap, and your palm right there is going to be right on your collarbone. All right, lock that down strong. But grab the other hand on that arm here. All right, lock that down. I want you to tip the water out the ear and then look up. Pull that hand down and look up. Feel that stretch through that front of the neck. Should be feeling reasonably aggressive, right? It's a beautiful stretch. And if you've spent time on the computer, time on the bike, whatever, these muscles get really, really tight. And these like muscles, the tightening and the shortening of them consistently creates the forward head posture. If you've got chain sides, guys, just lock that on, collarbone, trap, lock down, tip, and up. If you've got chronically tight like muscles, your head will go into a forward head position, which leads to pain in the neck, right? And eventually comes long-term tightness and long-term pain. It leads into something more drastic like inflammation in the disc or bulging like this, prolapsed disc, all these types of problems that we don't want. That's why stretching flexibility is absolutely so critical and important. Talking about that as well, I've been promoting the last couple of weeks my strength conditioning foundation presentation, which is on the 10th. I think it's a Monday night at 6 o'clock. So hopefully you guys can come. Okay, just release that. Come up. Hands in the back. Just a back extension now. Draw the belly button in, squeeze the glutes. Just feel that extension through the lower back, right? You should not have any pain there. If you have got pain, just release it. And on the next one, don't go as far. Okay, guys, fantastic. Thanks so much for joining me. Hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, it was an activation. Level number 3, core number 3, and then like we just had some of the restorations at the end. Thanks so much, Beck, for rejoining me to the training, and thank you all for you guys for joining as well. Don't forget 5 questions: intensity, enjoyment, training lifestyle. What you could do better, and what is your main goal for the week? Let's get that in the head. Let's keep it strong. Start to visualize that every day. Okay. Thanks, guys. Have a good night. Ciao now. See you soon.